Hello students, today is our final session on transportation in plants and animals. Today we will be studying excretion in plants and animals. Why is excretion so important? As you know, there are a large number of chemical reactions that are taking place in the body which generate variety of waste products. If these are allowed to accumulate in the body, they could be highly toxic. So they have to be removed from time to time. What is excretion? It is the process of removal of waste from the cells of the living organism through specialized system called as excretory system. Now, based upon the types of waste products, animals can be categorized under three categories: ammonotelic, ureotelic and uricotelic. Now, this is not given in your book, but last year it was included in the syllabus. Ammonotelic means the waste product is in form of ammonia. Ammonia is a gas. It requires a lot of water for removal. Therefore, it is seen in aquatic animals. Like fishes, they secrete ammonia. Ureotelic means they secrete urea as the main nitrogenous waste product. In this, moderate amount of water is used. It is seen in higher animals. We are also ureotelic. Uricotelic means the excretory product is in the form of uric acid. It is seen where water conservation is required. Reptiles and birds show uricotelic mode of excretion. Now, why this water conservation is required? As you know, reptiles and birds, they don't drink much of water, and they mainly lead their life in either on the trees, or these reptiles, they also go in for winter sleeps. Now, so these secrete uric acid as the waste product. Where there are lizards, try to see their excreta. Now, you might have seen the excreta of lizard. It contains something black and a white dot is present with their excreta. Now, that white substance which is excreted is uric acid. In unicellular organisms such as amoeba, paramecium and lower animals like hydra, there is no specialized organ or organ system for excretion. There is direct diffusion. As I've told you during the transportation, that only a single membrane is present through which the gases or the water and the nutrients, they diffuse in along the concentration gradient. Now, the waste product is more inside the body, so it will diffuse out through their membranes only. Earthworm, leeches and insects have tubular structures for the excretion. Human beings produce variety of waste product such as carbon dioxide that is produced during the process of respiration. It is exhaled during the breathing process. The human skin also acts like an excretory organ. Now this is the simplified diagram of this picture. I've drawn it from here. This is the transverse section of skin of human beings. Our concern is mainly with this. The skin surface contains pores. This is epidermis, and below this is dermis. This dermis contains sweat glands which lie along with hair follicles. Now, these sweat glands secrete sweat. Sweat is the liquid that is secreted from our skin. It contains small quantity of urea, salts and water. Now, what is the function of this sweat? It evaporates by body heat. It absorbs the body heat and gets evaporated, and thus causes a cooling effect. Excretion through kidneys. The human urinary system consists of a pair of kidney. Let me show you the picture, the position of kidney. The kidneys are positioned just above the waistline in the abdominal cavity on the dorsal surface. Dorsal means that is on the back side. Now, the right kidney is slightly lower in position than left kidney, because on right side the size of liver pushes it slightly downwards. So this is the position of kidney. When you have to describe the position of kidney, you will write they are situated above the waistline in the abdominal cavity on the dorsal side, with right kidney slightly lower than the left kidney. Now the human excretory system mainly consists of a pair of kidneys. Now see this diagram. It consists of a pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. First of all, do one correction in your books. Vena cava is this blue structure which is carrying the blood away from it, and aorta is this red one. Now coming to kidneys. These are bean shaped and the size is about that of a fist. Like I've shown you the size of heart, it is also fist sized. These two kidneys filter approximately 114 to 140 liters of blood per day and produce 0.094 to 1.98 liters of urine. It is composed of waste and extra fluid. Then comes the ureters. These are two long thin tubes which connects kidneys to the bladder. Bladder is an elastic bag which stores in the urine. As you know, the filtration is going on inside the kidneys every time, but every time we don't pass urine, that urine is collected in this bladder, and when this bladder is full, then we only pass the urine. Urethra is the duct that opens to the outside. Now from urethra we pass the urine. There are sphincter muscles present on the junction of urethra and urinary bladder. What happens? These sphincter muscles, they do not allow the passage of urine on its own. They always remain in a contracted stage. But when the bladder is full, the sensory neurons, they send the message to brain, and brain in response send the impulse to sphincter muscles. These sphincter muscles then relax and causes the passage of urine. Now the nitrogenous waste that are produced in body are urea and uric acid. Urea is formed as a combination of carbon dioxide and ammonia. It is excreted in the form of pale yellow fluid called urine. The functional unit of kidney is called as a nephron. Each nephron consists of a cup-shaped Bowman capsule. It consists of proximal tube, then the loop of Henle, and the distal tube. This distal tube is connected with the collecting duct, and many of these distal tubes are draining in the common collecting duct. Then this collecting duct is in continuation with the ureter, and from there the urine is passed into bladder. What happens in this nephron? It is the actual site of urine production. The blood is carried in by the renal artery. Now this blood is filtered through, and the nutrients and water, only the excess of nutrients, salts or water is given out, but maximum amount is absorbed back. Thus urine formation is occurring in this nephron. What happens if a person drinks very little water during the day? The quantity of urine passed him is decreased. Now this will cause a negative effect on body, as the nitrogenous waste need water for their removal, and if there is not surplus amount of water, these waste will be collected in the body. Human kidneys work in pairs, but they are so efficient that even if one gets damaged, the person can survive. But when both the kidneys are not able to filter the blood, dialysis is done. There are two things that are done when both the kidneys do not work. First is regular dialysis and other is kidney transplant. Regular dialysis I am going to tell you just now, and in kidney transplant what is done, that the kidneys are replaced surgically with healthy kidneys. What happens in dialysis? In dialysis, the dialysis machine or artificial kidney is attached to the person. Now the blood is taken out through the artery and it is passed through this dialysis machine and it is given back to the person by vein. And in this way the process which was being done by the kidneys is done by this machine, and thus the excess of water, salts and other waste products are removed from the body. Coming to the excretion in plants. In plants, the main gaseous waste products are carbon dioxide, that is produced due to respiration, and oxygen, that is formed as a result of photosynthesis. They are mainly passed through stomata. Excess of water is removed through transpiration from the stomata that are present in the leaf. Sometimes excess of salt are also there. They get deposit in the plants in the form of crystals, gum, resins and latex. The older plants get rid of the toxic waste in the form of gums, resins and latex, which are used by humans to manufacture paints, varnishes, rubber and adhesive. So the waste of plant is useful for us. That was about the chapter. With this we complete this chapter. Book pages covered, in between questions, back exercise and question answers will be uploaded on the school website. Thank you. Have a nice day.